I'm going to get all these new toys to work right. So this is like what we just practiced, except that I've got the subtraction, right? Since we're still new getting the hang of the rule, let's do it both ways. Let's multiply it all the way out by hand, and then we'll try it again using the rule. So if I do it by hand, I'm taking 4m minus 10 times itself, right? So FOIL, firsts, outers, inners, lasts, right? So I multiply the first terms together, so that gives me 16m squared. So that's those guys. And then I'm going to do this times the last one, which will be the outers. So I'll multiply those together. So that's going to give me negative 40m, right? 4 times the negative 10. And then I'll do the inners. I'll do these guys, which is going to give me negative 40m. And then I can do the lasts, plus 100. Combine my like terms, and I'm left at 16m squared minus 80m plus 100. Again, it's the practice of what we were doing last week. It's just distributing. Now, if you want to shortcut it,
now what I always think about is how like that the 4 cancels out because it's 4 times square. I guess that like 3 cancels out.
yeah, you want to try to cancel stuff, and you really can't on these problems, but I'll show you ones where you can next. According to the rule, if I'm doing a plus b quantity squared, that's a squared, I'm just rewriting the rule down, guys, 2ab plus c squared. So that's the rule. So let's apply it here. So instead of actually foiling it out, let's just take the rule and say, all right, well, take the first guy, 4m becomes 16m squared, because that's 4m squared. Multiply these together. Well, that's going to give me negative 10 times 4 times m times 2. So negative 80m. Oops, there we go, 80m. That's 2 times 4m times a negative 10. And then finally, what's negative 10 times negative 10? Positive 100. And I'm finished. So if you can remember the rule, these problems go a lot faster. The advantage, if you don't remember the rule, you've got some wiggle room. My advice is to try to do the rule as often as you can, and then do it by hand to check what you've done. Work your way back through it to be sure you're really taking a look at what you can do.